Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a quiz. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To create a quiz in Mailerlite, you'll need to use the Forms feature and integrate a quiz with the email marketing campaigns. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the Forms tab. Now in this section, all you're going to do is choose from any of the following options. You can use a pop-up. You can create your pop-up quiz right here. When they're most engaged, design pop-ups and schedule when they appear. All right. If you want to choose the embedded forms, all right, you have all these. Create your first embedded form. Collecting email address just got easier thanks to your custom subscriber forms or the promotions. Depending on of course, your preference. Where would you like to appear? But the most of the time, people or Mailerlite users tend to use the pop-ups for their quiz appearing on the website or your campaigns. All right, if you do, just click the create section here. You see you can choose from several pop-up types. If you do that, click the create button. You would be forwarded to this section. All right, we can enter the form name, maybe this. Now again, since we have already chosen the pop-up, but again on this section, you can still change your mind. Is it going to be like a pop-up, embedded form, promotion? You have to read and remember that in pop-ups, you can convert your website visitors to newsletter subscribers. For the embedded form, you can create sign-up forms that match your brand design. And of course, the promotion is you deliver messages to your website using pop-ups. But for now, we're going to choose the first option. Click the save and continue. Now, you want to make sure you select the subscriber. Right? For this one, just click this and click on continue. Now we can choose from any of the pre-designed templates that can best suits your or reflect your brand and identity. You can categorize and filter the templates from featured pop-up, full screen, half screen, modal, slide box, and slide box pop-up. But I'm just gonna choose the all templates for now. You have the mystery launch, year's event, holiday workshop, simple sign up. Well, how about we choose the New Year's event because it's kind of near. All right, if you want to preview this and test waters if this is going to be the quiz that I wanted to work with. All right, maybe I don't like this one. Let's see what we got from here. Yeah, let's stick with this. How about the masterclass? It's kind of like a quiz, right? Masterclass, design or branding. And of course, select the template. Now, here's the fun part. If you click the select template, you would be forwarded to the template editor. All right, takes a little while depending on the template that you have chosen and make sure that you have a strong connection. Now, you have kind of like limited options in designing your quiz. All right. You have the pop-up and the success. All right, if you want to join the masterclass, here you can add by designing the form. You can font the for example, this is gonna be this. You can change the way the content is presented. All right, text color is gonna be that best match our brand identity. Can I make it like bold if there's an option for this? So I'm gonna choose the other form color for this. Maybe kind of like an emoji. All right, fields are email. maybe answers. Click Save Change. You can also add a field if you want. All right. If you want to add a field, say for example, this one is going to be kind of like a different one. And then once you've done that, click on the extra elements. You can form elements here, font pop-ins, and a lot more. All right. So once you're happy with this, you can go to the sign up form settings. For example, this is sign. If you want, you can choose from any of the following options here. So depending on your preferences, but I like this much. Now I wanted to change the background form. If you do that, you can choose from any background image. I'm gonna do that right now. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Background color is kind of like this, I guess. Click on save. All right. That is for the design. For the blocks, if you want to add image, right here, we're gonna add more image here. Click the browse, and I will be choosing the image from here in my database. See that? Or now click the save button. If you want to add a divider or social links, you can also do that here. We'll add it, all right? Or even the countdown or the social links. Now, once you're happy with this, you might want to click the preview button to make sure that you have provided the answers and questions in a particular way, tag them, and send a follow-up email with their personal results or offers, right? Want to make sure that the responsiveness is good in desktop and as well as mobile. Again, you have the copy URL here if you want to send it to your client or to your team members, if you wanted their feedback based on the answers to the quiz you have created, all right? If they look up pretty well, all right? This approach can help you create simple quizzes in Mailerlite. And again, for more advanced quiz features like scoring, you may want to use third-party tools to integrate it. But for now, we're good with it. Click the Done Editing. And then once it's loaded, you see, we can now create the trigger when you want to show up, all right? You have all of these, and if you want to schedule that in a specific time, you are welcome to do so, right? Click the Save Changes, and you have now successfully created a quiz in Mailerlite. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.